What if I told you that there's a tiny country in the heart of Europe where everyone can experience the beauty of nature through beautiful forests, stunning rock formations and bubbly rivers? Welcome to Luxembourg. Luxembourg is a tiny country located between Belgium, Germany and France. And if you didn't know that, it's a great place for hiking. It has one of the densest networks of hiking trails in Europe. Back in September, I traveled to this beautiful region invited by Luxembourg for Tourism, and in this video I'm gonna show you 3 hiking ideas in 3 different regions of Luxembourg. You can find more information about the trails together with the GPS tracks down in the description. Let's start. The first track takes place in the Icelic region. This area was awarded among the leading regions from the European Rambler Association for the quality of its trails. We start our hike from the nice little town of Hochscheid, right from the center. After a little walk through the streets, you'll find a sign that will take you to the wonderful countryside, with lonely trees, cows and goats. The more the trail goes down, the more you'll get deep into the forest. After 30 minutes hiking, you will reach one of the highlights of this hike. A narrow, rocky ridge that sends out of the forest that you will follow all the way till the end. The view of the valley from here is really beautiful. The trail gets till the bottom of the valley, and following a river with some old mills, you will get to a little chapel in the forest. Such a peaceful place. The rest of the trail is a long, beautiful forest hike that will take you back to where you started. The second area suggested to hike is the Minette region, located in the southwest of Luxembourg, on the border with France. This area is a true example of how nature is recovering after the strong impact humans had on the landscape due to mining activities. Starting from Dudelange, you'll follow the streets of the old mining quarter, and you will turn left into some stairs that will take you to the surrounding nature. After passing a wonderful forest, you will arrive to the old mining area. All the rocks you see were actually waste from the mining activity. Such an unreal landscape. After a bit of hiking, you will get to the walls where the iron was taken from. The color of the rock is just beautiful. And after passing some old huge tools that were used to extract the iron, you'll be back in town. If you want to know more about this region, I highly suggest you to visit the National Museum, where you'll find all the history of this activity. Mullerthal is Luxembourg's most popular hiking region, thanks to the famous Mullerthal Trail, a long circuit that can be hiked in different stages of 3-4 days each. But there are also plenty of smaller walks of different lengths and difficulties. Everyone can experience this wonderful area full of astonishing geological formations, awarded as a Global Geopark by UNESCO. Starting from the Berdorf camping, I followed the B2 trail. They will take you deep into an enchanted world. A labyrinth of bridges, steps and trails will guide you to these massive boulders carved by the elements. One of my favorite places was Adlerhorst, a dark and tight passage that ends with some vertical stairs. Another spectacular place I suggested to visit is the Icelic cave. Despite it looks like a natural cave, it is not. It's the result of the extraction of millstones thanks to a very special traditional technique. You can clearly see the circular shapes where the stone were taken from. Another beautiful place in the area is the Schiessen-Tumpel waterfall. You can reach it with a very easy walk by the river, and it's a must-stop. So that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and thanks a lot to Luxembourg for Tourism for inviting me to this beautiful area, and I will see you in the next adventure.